Guys, most welcome in Technology Welfare. In this video tutorial, especially I would like to show you how to create a desktop shortcut to safely removal hardware device. So here firstly I will go for new shortcut, and here I will this one paste. So just you can copy from my description box. I have given this text there and directly paste here, and then go for next. Here you can write here safely removal hardware device, and you can go for finish now. Now see guys, when I click here and when I plug any hardware in my PC or laptop, it will show directly on my desktop. Here clearly mention here, see, select the device you want to unplug or eject. Then click stop when the window notify you that it is safe to do so. Unplug the device from your computer hardware device. This will reflect here. Now here display device component option selection, deselection has been given, and this is the stop here button. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. My motive that how you will create safely removable hardware on your desktop. So if this video has been benefited to you in any way to enhance your knowledge related to our computer, then don't forget like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave the comment below the comment box how do you like, and if you have inquiry then also mention there. So thank you guys, have a great time.